Hello students, today we will discuss lesson 3 Physical Political Divisions of India. So geographically, India is a very big country and it is considered as the 7th largest and the most democratic country in the world. Look at this picture. India is surrounded by Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west, Indian Ocean in the south, and the great Himalayan ranges in the north. Now come here. India has 6 physical divisions: Northern Mountains, Northern Plains, Great Indian Desert, Southern Plateau, Coastal Plains, the island regions. Now we will discuss the Northern Mountains. The Northern Mountains include the Himalayan and the Karakoram mountain ranges. The peaks of the Himalayas remain covered with snow throughout the year. मतलब पूरा साल स्नो से कवर रहता है. The peaks of the Himalayas. The Himalayas form a natural boundary between India and China. India और China के बीच में एक natural boundary बन जाता है. This Himalayas. Now this is the point to remember. Mount Everest in the Himalayas is the highest peak in the world. It is in Nepal and is 8,850 meter in height. Now, Northern Plains. The Northern Plains occupy a greater part of Northern India. Northern India का एक greater part occupy करता है Northern Plains. It lies between Himalayas and Southern Peninsula. Himalayas और Southern Peninsula के बीच में lie करता है. This area is known as the Gangetic Plain. This area is known as Gangetic Plain. Now, Indian Desert. Now, what do you mean by desert? A desert is a large area of land covered with sand. मतलब एक बड़ा एरिया होता है जिसे सैंड से कवर होता है, उसे डेजर्ट कहते हैं. The Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert is located in the northwestern part of India. Turn the page. Now we will discuss Southern Plateau. Now what do you mean by plateau? The land which is flat and higher than its surrounding area is called plateau. And Southern Plateau is triangular in shape and it is surrounded by Arabian Sea in the west. West में Arabian Sea है and the Bay of Bengal in the east. East में Bay of Bengal है. The Indian Ocean in the south. South में Indian Ocean है. Now, coastal plains. India has a long coastline. India का एक बड़ा coastline होता है, long coastline. On the western side of India is the western coastal plain. Western side में western coastal plain है and on the eastern side is the eastern coastal plain. It is about 6,000 km of the mainland. Now, the island regions. Now, what do you mean by island? An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. There are many small islands along the two coastal plains. Some of these islands are a part of India. The Andaman and Nicobar Island is a group of islands in the Bay of Bengal. And another one is Lakshadweep, which is situated in Arabian Sea. And it is also the smallest union territory of India. Next point is India's neighboring countries. India has 6 neighboring countries. Number 1 is Pakistan, 2 China, 3 Nepal, 4 Bhutan, 5 Bangladesh, and number 6 is Myanmar. Next point is political divisions. The Constitution of India is the governing authority of the 29 states and 7 union territories. 29 states and 7 union territories. Since India is a very big and vast country, the government has formed at 2 levels. Number 1 is central and number 2 is state. The central government consists of president, prime minister and council of ministers. And number 2, the state government consists of the governor, the chief minister, and other ministers. Now, union territories. There are 7 union territories. In page number 17, you will see the 7 union territories. These are the 7 union territories and their capitals. Every state has its own capital. Now, Rajasthan is the largest state. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Goa is the smallest state. Goa सबसे smallest है. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state, and Sikkim has the lowest density of population. Lowest density of population is Sikkim. Now, 7 states of Northeast are called the 7 sisters. 7 states of the Northeast are called the 7 sisters. These are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura. Now, there are some states and their capitals. These are some states and their capitals.